Meaning of helpful.
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 Helpful. The word helpful refers to something or someone that is useful in aiding or assisting others. It describes an action or behavior that benefits others in achieving a desired goal or outcome. A helpful person is willing to go out of their way to provide support and guidance, often with a positive attitude and empathy. The result of being helpful is a greater sense of community and cooperation, where individuals feel valued and supported in their efforts. Helpful actions can lead to increased productivity, improved relationships, and a more fulfilling and meaningful life.